All right, this window screen here, oh, I just made it work, but has a bunch of holes in it, as you can see here, by me sticking my hand through it. So let's fix it. Here's a screen repair kit that I'm going to be using. You don't have to use this one, but you can use whatever kind you like. This one came with a tool, so that's why I got this one from Home Depot. But and get the old screen, take it out, and then the way that these are held in here is there's like a bit of this little black line where my thumbs are here all the way around is a grommet or spline or whatever you call it. So you can peel that out, and then the whole screen will come up. Pull this out. Little clips just fall out, so try to make sure I know where those go. And please don't fall through the desk. Okay, there's the old screen and spline off. Get our new stuff out of the kit here. Something like that should work, as long as it's bigger. So it doesn't fly away. Get our spline. Tangle it in a gigantic mess. I'm gonna get the old one here and so I can get the right amount or close. A little bit extra. That back in there. Now we can lay our new screen. over the top here. Take our little screen roller tool, push it down in there. Now that I'm on the other side, I'm somewhat trying to stretch it a little bit tight, but not get too, try not to make it too perfect, you know, as long as it's better than it was and not loose. Alright, okay, we just make sure everything's pressed back down in there. I've got those tab things on the right side. There we go. No more holes. So let's go put it back in and clean the window and all good.
In the eyes of a ranger,